In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly navigate Hostinger's hPanel to manage your MySQL databases. Whether you're looking to set up a new database, make modifications, or handle details using MyAdmin, I'll guide you step by step through the process. Let's start by logging into your Hostinger account. Once you've accessed hPanel, you'll be greeted with a variety of options, but for today, our focus is specifically on managing databases. From the main dashboard, quickly find and click on the Databases section. Within this menu, choose MySQL Databases. This is your central hub for all things database related on Hostinger. Now, within the MySQL Databases section, you have several options. If you're looking to create a new database, you'll notice a straightforward input form. Simply enter the desired database name and click the Create button. It's as easy as that. Hostinger will take care of the setup for you in just a few seconds. This feature is particularly handy if you're setting up a new website or app and need a fresh database environment. If you wish to modify existing databases, scroll down to the list of your current databases. Here, you can easily edit the database user's password or manage permissions. It's important to ensure that your database credentials are secure and updated regularly. This keeps your data safe and easily accessible only to authorized users. Occasionally, you might need to delete a database. Do this with caution, especially if the database is still active or in use. Locate the database you intend to remove, and to the right of the database name, you'll find an option to delete it. A prompt will usually appear to confirm your decision, minimizing any risk of accidental loss. For those of you who require more advanced database management, you can access MyAdmin directly through hPanel. Look for the MyAdmin button next to your database name. By clicking this, a new window will open, guiding you seamlessly into the MyAdmin interface. Here, you can perform more detailed tasks such as running SQL queries, exporting or importing data, and organizing your tables. If you're familiar with MySQL, MyAdmin is a powerful tool that provides more granular control over your database. And there you have it, a streamlined process to manage your MySQL databases through Hostinger's hPanel. From creating databases to making specific changes and diving into deeper management with MyAdmin, you now have the practical know-how. Remember to check back in with your databases regularly to perform updates or troubleshoot issues. I hope you found this guide helpful and feel more confident handling your database needs on Hostinger. Thanks for watching, and I'm looking forward to guiding you through more tutorials soon.